Hi students, today I am going to present a video in bills of exchange, particularly fourth model. The model title is Won the bill sent to bank for collection. This is the fourth model. So many times this model given in university examinations for 10 marks and some of the universities given as 12 marks. This is very important one. So when you go through the problem, Anil sold goods to Banu worth of 10,000. He draws a 3 months bill for acceptance. Banu accepted the bill and returned to Anil. Assume the bill was honored on due date. Pass necessary journal entries in the both bodies. Under the situation when the bill is sent to bank for collection. First of all, student must read carefully the problem once or twice in the examination, and after reading the problem, student must have to draw this diagram. This diagram reveals the entire problem's information. Because when you see this diagram, I can read the problem with the help of diagram. Anil sold goods 10,000 worth of goods to Banu. This is the first transaction. On the same date, Anil draws a bill on Banu for 3 months duration. After draw the bill on Banu read the bill carefully and signed on that bill, and immediately Banu returned that 3 months bill to the Anil. That means Anil gets acceptance from Banu for 3 months bill. Immediately in this problem, Anil that bill sent to bank for collection. Now the bill is at the bank. In the first stage, whenever the bill received from Banu, Anil having that bill. Now he wants to send the bill for collection. At that time, the bill is immediately goes on to the bank. Now the bill is available at the bank. On the due date, Banu wants to settle his account. That means he wants to honor the bill. That's why on the due date, Banu just will come to the bank, will go to the bank and pay the 10,000 amount to bank and get back to his bill. This is the information available in the given question paper. With the help of this information or with the help of this diagram, we can write the journal entries in both bodies, Anil and Banu. First, entries in the books of Anil. Whenever you write the entries in the books of Anil, you must feel, the student must feel as an Anil. Now we are Anil. We are writing these journal entries in our books. So, entries in the books of Anil, student must be acted as Anil. Students have to write these entries in your books. Just it's a feeling. Whenever you have that feeling, you will write the journal entries very easily. First transaction, being an Anil, as you sold the goods to Banu. For this transaction, you have to write Banu account data 10,000 to sales account. This is the entry, first entry, being the goods sold to Banu on credit basis. When you sold the goods to Banu, Banu received the goods. Banu is a personal account, debit the receiver. That's why Banu account data 10,000. Sales is nominal account. This is income factor, credit all incomes. That's why we are credit the sales in this entry. So Banu account data to sales account. This is the first entry. After sold the goods to Banu, immediately Anil draw a bill on Banu and gets his acceptance. For this transaction, this is the journal entry. Bills receivable account data to Banu account. In this transaction, bills receivable is a real account. This is an asset to Anil. So, this as per the real account principle, debit what comes in. Here in this transaction, bills receivable comes to the Anil. That's why bills receivable in asset. So, this bills receivable debited in this transaction. Who gives this bills receivable? Banu gives this bills receivable. Banu is a personal account, credit the giver. That's why as per the real account, bills receivable account debited. As per the personal account, Banu is a giver. So, bills receivable account data to Banu account being the acceptance received on 3 months bill 10,000, 10,000. And the next entry, after receiving the bill, Anil wants to send that bill for collection to the bank. At that time, we have to write this entry. Bill sent to bank account, bill sent to bank for collection account data. Now we are sending that bill to the bank for collection. So, receives the bill, bank. Who receives? Bank received the bill. So, for what purpose? For collection purpose. So, we have to write bill sent to bank for collection account data 10,000 to bills receivable account. This is real account. As per the real account, credit what goes out. Here, in the books of Anil sent to that bills to the bank. That means just we have given that bills receivable to the bank. That means as per the real account, credit what goes out. In this transaction, bills receivable goes out from Anil. That's why bills receivable is credited. So, the final entry is bill sent to bank. For what purpose? For collection purpose. That's why we have to write bill sent to bank for collection account data or to bills receivable account. Narration is being the bill sent to bank for collection. And the final stage is bill is honored. When the bill is honored, bank have to pay that 10,000 rupees to Anil. We received cash from bank. So, bank account or cash account data are 10,000 to bills sent to bank for collection. When you send the bank bill for collection, at that time you have to debit bills sent to bank for collection. This is debited in this entry. Finally, when the bill is honored, automatically this debit we have to cancel. For that purpose, for debit cancellation, we must have to credit. That's why in this transaction, in this entry, bills sent to bank for collection account debited, but final honor of that bill, we cancel this debit item. For that purpose, here we credited. Bank is or cash is received from bank. This is real account. Debit what comes in? Cash or bank comes to the Anil. So bank account data to bill sent to bank for collection account, being the bill honored on the due date. These are the entries we have to write in the books of Anil. And the next 40 entries in the books of Banu. Now we act as a Banu. Because we are writing journal entries in the books of Banu, student must have to act as Banu. We are Banu. Now we are writing journal entries in our books. So first purchases the goods from Anil. When you purchase the goods from Anil, purchases are nominal account. So as per the principle of nominal account, debit all expenses. So purchases account data 10,000 to Anil account. Who gives goods to Banu? Anil gives goods to Banu. As per the personal account, credit the giver. So we have to credit the Anil in this transaction, in this journal entry. So purchases account data are to Anil account, being the goods purchased on credit basis. And then what next? We are accepting the bill and immediately send that bill to Anil. So, as a Banu, as you act as a Banu, just we send bills payable. Bills receivable is in the point of Anil. Bills payable is in the point of Banu. Now, bills payable is goes out. This is liability. This is liability to Banu. Why? On the due date, Banu must have to pay that amount to Anil. That's why up to due date, this is liability. All liability should be credit. All assets should be debit. Here, Anil is a personal account, debit the receiver, as per the personal account principle. So, Anil account debtor, Anil received the bill. Just we given the bills payable to Anil. This is the liability, that's why we have to credit. So, the final entry is Anil account debtor to bills payable account, being the bill accepted for 3 months 10,000. And finally, Banu wants to settle his account. That means Banu wants to honor the bill. So, in this situation, Banu will go to the bank and pay that amount and get back the bill. So, bills payable is credited in the second entry. Now, the final settlement, this credit will be cancelled. For that purpose, we have to debit bills payable account. That means Banu received the bills payable and paid cash to bank. So, bills payable account debtor to bank account or cash account, being the bill honored on the due date. These are the 3 entries we have to write in the books of Banu. So, read carefully the problem, and then student must have to, with the help of this information, student must have to write the or design this diagram. Based on this diagram, student have to write the entries in the books of Dryer and Dry. That means journal entries in the books of Anil and the journal entries in the books of the Banu. I hope that students can easily understand this problem. If you like this video, press bell icon button and subscribe more. It gives more strength, it gives more energy to upload more videos. So, motivate me and try to subscribe more. Thank you. I will meet you on next video. Until that, bye.